Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the second half of October. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to take it as it resonates with you. So let's see what we have for Librans in the second half of October. Seven of Cups, the Temperance, Two of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, the Hermit, the Queen of Swords, the High Priestess, okay, the Five of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, the Four of Wands, the Five of Cups, the Knight of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, and the Emperor. See what are the messages from this deck for Librans. Okay, the Ten of Hearts, guidance from the angels, embrace those around you, and a new beginning. Okay, so starting with the Seven of Cups, followed by the Temperance and the Two of Pentacles, you're trying to make up your mind over something. You're trying to make up your mind over a situation and trying to decide over something. Yeah. You are trying to make up your mind over something, trying to make up a decision on a situation with which you want a new beginning with. Here with Ace of Pentacles, there is a situation over here with which has a foundation, which has its roots, it's deep rooted. But you're trying to make up your mind over something. And here with the Hermit, You are finding, looking for answers within. Actually, there is a situation, there's a strong form. You are trying to make up your mind, definitely, and for this, you are really focused on it, trying to look for a there is some situation which is this is something, this is your some relationship or whatever it is, it has a lot of meaning to it. It has deep roots in your heart, but there is some reason that you're trying to, or you want to manifest this. Perhaps you're trying to make up your mind towards a new beginning, or something which has its roots in your life, you feel connected to, perhaps. Because the Hermit, the Queen of Swords, and again we have the High Priestess. What I am getting here is, with the Queen of Swords, this is the energy of the other person who is detached, yes, that's what, yeah. So you are trying to make up your mind on a new beginning, which has, there is some past to it actually, which has its root, deep rooted connection with you. And here with the Queen of Swords and the Hermit, what I feel is, this person has perhaps withdrawn from you. Yeah, now that's what I was wondering, what it is all about. This person is sitting totally withdrawn from you in their own world. Yeah, this is the energy of the other person over here. This person is totally detached, not only from you but from many other things, and they are trying to find a meaning to their own life. That's what I'm getting here. Okay, so there is a connection or something which has its roots, which you are trying to make up your mind on, and this person is sitting detached, trying to find a meaning to their own life, focusing on themselves. And here we have the High Priestess, Five of Pentacles. So this person is detached and trying to find, trying to focus on their own life basically. That's what they are doing. With the High Priestess, that's what I'm getting again here. So this person is detached from you. This person is focusing on their own, maybe even meditating. That's what I'm getting, meditating, praying, whatever, but they are focusing on their own, trying to balance their own life, detached from you. And here with the Four of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, Four of Wands. Yeah, and here is someone with the Five of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles. I think it's you with the Five of Pentacles and with the Six of Pentacles. It can be you, it can be them, because they are also trying to focus on their own life, but still somewhere in between they feel ignored, they feel bad, they feel hurt. They have but there is somebody here who has it's I think it's the other person who is trying to focus on their own life, trying to make it better in some way, shape or form, because they feel perhaps ignored, rejected, whatever. They are on their own, they have their own it's talking about the moments they come in between, which are talking about they feeling hurt, emotional, upset. So there are such emotions of the other person, though they are trying to balance them. So some sort of balance is being achieved over here with the Six of Pentacles. Because with the Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups, and with the Four of Wands, I think when whatever this balance is being restored, is there is something positive coming in with the Ace of Cups and with the Four of Wands, because I see there is a celebration over here. There is happiness, there is perhaps a new beginning, perhaps yes, there can be a new beginning, because there is somebody here. What I feel is, because this person is, the other person is totally shut off, they are just not doing anything, and perhaps then you decide to balance it in some way, a little bit of maybe there is some sort of communication or give and take or exchange, say some sort of an exchange over here, can be in a communication way or whatever way, there is some sort of an exchange trying to balance the situation. And here with the Ace of Cups, the Four of Wands, maybe you are ready to show your love, open up perhaps, or you've made up your mind, because it is being followed by the Four of Wands. What I see here is happiness. Okay, happiness and celebrations. And because again here we have the Five of Cups, the Knight of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, and the Emperor. So this Four of Cups, what I feel here is, it is the same thing, as if somebody has lost something, and this is, I think, the vibe of that person. Since you are, the other person is totally away from you, totally detached, they're focusing on their own life, though they've just closed their doors, though they feel depressed, they may cry, they're crying alone, but then they are not showing it to you, they're not approaching you. Perhaps then you try to achieve some sort of balance, it's coming below the Temperance, so perhaps that is what you are doing. You perhaps open up a little, you offer your love, and this is why you are doing this, because with the Five of Cups you are feeling hurt, you are feeling ignored, you are feeling upset over here. So basically with the Five of Pentacles and the Five of Cups, both of you are feeling upset for what you've lost. So that is what the balance is all about, trying to maintain the balance, because both of you, none of you is happy at this situation, both of you are feeling miserable, and then you try to balance the situation. Perhaps you try to open up, offer your love. And here, because here we have the Four of Wands, and then we have the Knight of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, and the Emperor. So here it's giving me the vibe of the same celebration and happiness which is being followed, or the celebration and the happiness which is being followed after this Ace of Cups is being offered. Of this, once this you open up to this person, this is the happiness and the rejoice and the celebration, or the party vibe, which is the way you are feeling happy about it, both of you. Okay, and here with the, perhaps you decide to rush in towards this person, and it's making the environment, the entire thing is, and both of you are very happy about it, you're celebrating, happy. And here with the Four of Pentacles and the Emperor, what I feel here is, so this is again the vibe. You are happy, you are being very happy with this. Once you open up your heart, both of, I think this is more of your person, they are feeling very happy about it, and they are guarding this happiness close to their chest. They are guarding this happiness close to their heart, close to their heart. And here with the Emperor, what I feel is, this is your energy, that you have taken the charge of this relationship, and you have made a move or opened up. Perhaps you've taken charge of the situation this time. Perhaps you made a move over here. Here with the Ten of Hearts, it is again that Wheel of Fortune of this deck. Things are moving positively, things will change. So I think this is the change which this is talking about, that perhaps you have decided to open up because you were trying to make up your mind over a situation, and since the other person is just not investing, they are totally detached. So perhaps you decided to open up, and that is the change which is happening over here, and it's bringing a lot of happiness in this situation. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Embrace those around you. This is the time of great spiritual growth for you. Make it even more important to surround yourself with those who love you and share your beliefs. Be willing to accept help from others. You would find comfort in traditional solutions, or your heart may long to try new ideas. So this is, I think it's talking about a person who is focusing on themselves and trying to have a better life for themselves, and this new beginning. You are at a beginning of a wonderful journey. There is no need to have any fear, as guardian angels walk beside you at every step of the way. You have unique gifts to offer the world if you will just free yourself from what holds you back. New opportunities will present themselves if you truly believe. So there is definitely a new beginning in your life. So perhaps this is what you are planning to do. If you open up, perhaps things will be okay and things will be good for you. So Librans, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's see each other in the next video. Bye.